Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. This is a test of my new Canon camcorder, and I'm shooting in low light. This is in the garage with just a couple of, well, I guess there are a couple of 150 watt incandescent bulbs overhead, but still not much light. We'll try a little zoomy there. Hope I've got the anti-shake on there. And let's go over to the bench. And I'll take a little picture of the junk that I haven't put away yet on the bench. So that's about it. This is just a test of a new camera, and we'll throw it up on the on YouTube and see what it looks like.